Okay, making a quick roux here, equal parts of flour and butter. And if you're not sure on that, just watch the other videos and you can find out more about that. Once the butter's melted, you add the flour. Here we go. Blonde roux. Okay, we put just enough roux to thicken the soup. It's looking really good. Okay, now time to serve some of this lobster bisque. Wow, now this knife is super sharp. That's it, that's your tip of the day. If you need to get a sharpening steel like this, or you want a really cool serrated knife, check out the sponsor. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep cooking. Have a great day.